Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy chocolate. First, gather all your ingredients and necessary equipment. You'll need good quality chocolate, fresh cotton candy, and a few basic tools. We'll start by melting the chocolate carefully, then prepare the cotton candy for its sweet integration. Finally, we'll combine these elements to create a truly unique and delightful treat for everyone to enjoy. To begin, select a high-quality chocolate, as this greatly impacts the final taste. You can melt your chocolate using a double boiler, which provides gentle heat, or carefully in the microwave. Remember to stir the chocolate frequently to achieve a perfectly smooth and lump-free consistency. For an extra professional touch and a beautiful shine, consider tempering your chocolate properly. Now for the fun part, incorporating the cotton candy. It's crucial to work quickly here, as cotton candy dissolves rapidly when it touches the warm chocolate. Gently fold small pieces of cotton candy into your melted chocolate, being careful not to overmix. This helps maintain some of its airy texture. You can also add a few small, fresh pieces on top for a lovely visual effect. Once the cotton candy is mixed in, quickly pour your chocolate mixture into molds or spread it onto parchment paper. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow it to set completely. Once firm, your delicious cotton candy chocolate is ready. Store any leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature to preserve its unique texture and flavor. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.